Hey guys, this is DV Weapons, and today we are reviewing a Coleman pocket knife. Number one, it comes with a pair of pliers, comes with a nice little knife, screwdriver, bottle opener, and also saw blade. It's supposed to come with a flashlight right here, but I didn't buy this myself. I got it from a friend, and stainless steel, pretty sturdy. It's I would use it for like camping trips, not for real survival. I would use like a Bowie knife or something. But it's really good. It really works if you're trying to sharpen something. This screwdriver, it works. Not the best. Bottle opener could be a little bigger. It's still good. Saw works perfectly. Also the pliers. I didn't really find where they sell these. I tried to look them up on eBay and Amazon. I didn't really look on Coleman. I don't even know if they have a store, but I never tried to look. But you could probably look for yourselves. But this is a pretty good quality knife. It really right here they could at least put a little something, because when you try to say when you flip out the knife and you put it, it's not that comfortable all the time when you hold it right here, because the parts right here and here, they kind of gouge in your hand. But if you have bigger hands like mine, it probably won't hurt as bad. Did I just say bigger hands just like mine? My hands aren't that big, trust me. But this right here, there's these little holes. I don't know if you can see them or not. If you see it right there, that's where a spring goes. So it will come back instead of doing that. So it's been wore through, but I'll give this a good 7, because I really like it. I've used it a lot, and it's really fun to use. And this is Viper. This is DV Weapons, signing off.